Now we'll discussing Gradle build tool. Okay, now how to download and configure the Gradle and how to set up environment variable for Gradle. And once after configuring the environment variable, we will discuss how to create a Gradle project in IntelliJ. And after creating the project, we will execute and sample program. Okay, the first step, how to download and configure Gradle. So we need to go to official website. The official website of Gradle is https gradle.org install. Okay, this is the official website of Gradle. So in this official website, click on installing manually this particular option. So click on installing manually. So here download the latest Gradle distribution. Here we have a binary and as well as complete. Click on binary. Click on binary. Yes, it's downloading the Gradle build tool. So depending upon our internet speed, it takes time to download the Gradle. Once after downloading the Gradle, we will create a folder called Gradle build tool. So it takes time to download the Gradle. So it might take another 10 to 20 seconds. Yes, the download has completed. Yes, the download has completed. So the download will be available by default in downloads folder. Copy this particular Gradle. Go to C drive. In C drive, create one folder. The folder name is Gradle build tool. Create a folder. Okay. Under this folder, paste our Gradle zip file. The next step, we need to extract. So again, while extracting, we need to take care it should not generate the nested folder. So click on extract all. So please remove this particular Gradle because it will avoid to generate of nested folder. So click on extract. Okay, the extract becomes successful. Delete the zip file and you can keep the version or you can remove the version. So we can remove the version. So currently the folder name is which one? Gradle build tool. In this particular folder, okay, we extracted Gradle zip file. Okay, now it contains a bin path. Copy this complete path. When you're copying this complete path, it represents in this way. So C drive, Gradle build tool, and Gradle is a folder we are extracted. Within this folder, we have a bin folder. This is the complete path. So in this particular path, we have to specify in a path environment variables. Okay, how to set up this particular path into system environment variable section. So for that purpose, we need to open the Explorer window. Window plus E. It will open the Explorer window. In the left hand side, we have a this PC option. Right click, properties. Here, we need to perform the click operation on advanced system settings. So it displays system properties window. In system properties window, we need to click on environment variables. So in environment variables window, it has a two section. One is user variables, another one is system variables. In system variable section, select the path variable. So select any one of the variable, press P. Okay, any one of the variable, press P. By default, it shows path variable. the path variable is a system generated variable. Please don't try to create the path variable because it is a existing variable. So irrespective of any OS, this path variable is available by default. So select the path variable, click on edit button. So now we need to provide an entry of the Gradle build path. So the Gradle path. So for that purpose, click on new option and paste the Gradle path. Which one? C drive Gradle build tool is a folder under Gradle build tool. Gradle. This is the one we are extracted along with the bin folder path. Either you can copy paste or you can browse it. So based on the browse also we can able to provide. So select this PC. So now select Gradle, yes, Gradle build tool and Gradle bin. In this also you can able to click on OK. The same thing is will be populated it here. Okay. Once after specifying the Gradle path, bin path, click on OK and click on OK and click on OK and close this particular window. How we can able to make sure whether the Gradle has configured properly? For that purpose, we need to open the command prompt, right click. So in the command prompt, we need to provide a command Gradle version. Enter. It provides successful command. It shows the version of the Gradle and it displays the where exactly the JDK is available. So all the information it was providing. Okay, this indicates the Gradle has configured successfully in our machine. The next step, how to create Gradle project in IntelliJ. So we will create one folder in C drive. Workspace demo. I just created one folder called workspace. Okay, workspace demo. Yes, we have created one folder. So this folder become a workspace for our Gradle project and launch the IntelliJ tool. Okay, go to file, new. So there is an option called project. Click on the project. So here we need to select Java. So here only we need to create a project now, Gradle project. The project name is demo project. Any name you can just provide. Demo project. And where exactly the project need to create? The workspace called. So workspace demo. So in this particular, it is our workspace C drive. Workspace demo is our workspace. In this workspace, the project demo project will create. Okay. We need to select the option called Gradle. So Gradle we need to select, this is the option, we need to select Gradle and JDK 17 and here Gradle DSL. DSL indicates domain specific language. Either you can select Kotlin or Groovy. We are selecting the Groovy. Okay. And advanced settings. So in advanced settings, we will provide com.edge testing. So you can provide any group ID you can provide. So this group ID is nothing but organization name and also it is going to act as a which one means package also. So we are provided com.edge testing and the same project name is populating automatically at here and now we can click on create button. It creates Gradle project and click on this window. It creates the Gradle project. So it is just loading the project. It takes some time to load the Gradle project. Once project has loaded successfully, under SRC we can get two folders, package main and as well as test. So it takes some time. We will wait because it's importing Gradle project. Compared to Maven, it takes more time. So we'll wait to finish the setting up the Gradle project. Yes. Once it has completed, see, we can see two navigation under SRC. One is main, another one is call test. Exactly as similar to which one? Our, so exactly under SRC, the two navigation, main and as well as SRC, exactly as similar to which one? Our Maven. Under test, so right click and create a package com dot testing dot programs. Yes, we have created one package. Under this particular package, we'll try to create one sample program. Sample demo. Okay. Now we just provide a statement called welcome to yes. We have just done this particular. We have written one program. Right click and run. So it provides the corresponding output. Yes, it has provided the output. Welcome to SG Software Testing Institute. Okay, so this is the way we can download and configure the Gradle and set up the environment variable for Gradle, and afterwards we have learnt how to create a Gradle project in IntelliJ and how to write a sample program and how to run in Gradle we have discussed. Thank you.